Today I want to share with you my experience with the glue and gluing process in Lettercraft. Labas visiems! It's how hello everyone sounds in Lithuanian. My name is Thomas and welcome to my channel about Lettercraft. I started it as a hobby and after a couple years it is the source from where I put food on my table. All my crafts and PDF templates I am offering you can find in my webshop strhandmade.com. Today I want to share with you my experience with the glue and gluing process in Lettercraft. It's just my experience and preferences of using it, so if you have different experience it's totally fine, work the way you like. If you will find some useful information, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also check for more useful letter crafting tips in my other videos. Almost from the beginning of my letter crafting, I'm stick with Fiebing's Lettercraft Cement. Very first glue I tried was kind of clear adhesive, which is also very popular type of glue among Lettercrafters. But here are a few reasons why I prefer this kind of white glue. For me it's much easier to apply and spread it on leather parts I'm going to glue. Much easier to clean from fingers and any other things you definitely will touch while gluing. And also it's easy to trim off protruding glue when you just pressed your leather parts, then as I remember it was quite problematic with clear adhesive which tends to stretch and stick everywhere while not dry. So after I tried Fiebing's Lettercraft Cement, I stick with it till present day. I'm quite conservative with things I'm using. If it works for me, I don't search for anything else. I believe you can argue that adhesive takes less time to dry, but I have absolutely no issues with it. I can't say how much time exactly it takes for glue to dry, so you would be able to work further with the project. Maybe it's about 10 minutes, as I usually work on a few crafts at once. While I will apply glue to other crafts, the first will be dried and I will be able to work further while others dry. And probably the main thing why I like this glue is very easy to clean from leather surfaces if you accidentally touch it while gluing. And you definitely will. For sure, it also depends on the leather you are using. In my case on veg tan, butter and shell cordovan it cleans without any marks. With veg tan Pueblo leather, it's not so easy as Pueblo don't have a glossy surface and the glue will leave marks after you clean. So when I am gluing Pueblo crafts, I have to be extra careful. Yes, I had reasons to start over a craft for my customers because I accidentally touched it with the glue. On the other hand, always for better sticking, roughen parts where you are going to apply glue. I'm doing this with a piece of 80 grit sanding paper. Another argument against this type of glue is that it's not as strong as adhesive. But what I can say, it's strong enough. I never ever had any problems during all my career as a leather crafter due to glue I'm using being not strong and parts being detached. It's the same thing to have a car which can go 300 miles per hour while the max speed you ever drove is 150 miles per hour. So if the only reason you have this car is that it can go 300 miles per hour, it makes no sense to have. It's just my opinion and experience with the glue, which may help you with choosing glue for your leather crafting. Glue is not the most expensive thing in leather crafting, so just try a few types and choose what sticks best to you. And when you will find what works, you can check for a bigger amount, which definitely will be cheaper. I bought a few of these mini bottles with needle applicator on AliExpress for a couple dollars. And it's very convenient to apply glue on leather or Tokonol on edges. And at the end I will go through my entire gluing process. First of all, roughen good leather side parts where glue should be applied. After applying the glue and spreading it evenly, stick the parts together. This glue also allows you to slightly adjust because it does not stick immediately. After I press it, for that purpose I'm using these tongs. And then protruding glue I'm trimming with this brass rectangular parallel pipe. Good word. And finally I use these binder clips with leather pieces to keep pressure while glue is drying. How to easy make these binder clips upgrades, you can check my video I made a while ago. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Topics for new videos you would like to see on my channel are also welcome. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find on my webshop strhandmade.com. Any type of your support would be appreciated. Don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.